Hey, it's Biddy Penny. Welcome back to my channel. It's time for the Sheetload of Cards. This is the August 2021 and Sheetload of Cards from Call Me Crafty Owl. You guys, if you go over to her channel, you subscribe, you can download these instructions every single month for free. It's amazing. So this month I changed it up a little bit because I printed up these images of my cuties. So in the instructions that Crafty Owl gives you, she gives you dimensions. So I used those dimensions to size up an image of my children and that I knew would fit inside this oval, which I had in a Hero Arts Infinity oval die set. And so I printed up the images and then I cut out ovals of the picture and I cut out a layering background, and they're just so cute. So I was inspired this month to make like happy summer cards. So one of my friends, Miss Tina, she was doing a video and she was talking about how in kids you get like happy fall, happy summer, and she's just like, I don't send happy fall, happy summer cards. And I was telling her I had been thinking, so this is my sentiment for today, sending some sunshine. I really wanted something that literally said happy summer, but I don't have it in my stash. And now Crafty Owl gave different instructions here for sentiments, but I always have these sentiment strips already made in my craft room because I take my paper by the ream to Kinko's. I have them cut it to 4 by 5 1/4, which gives me 4 panels per sheet of paper. I tell them to give me the leftover strips, and then I use those for sentiment strips. Now, I had originally posted this on white paper, white card base, and I didn't like it. So I went to my stash, grabbed this beautiful green color, and now I'm going to use scraps. I had one last picture of my cuties, and so, and I had scraps left over. So I decided to make a birthday card for my mom. So my birthday is on the 14th of August, and my mom's is the 15th, and we're going to the beach, a little family vacation. And so I'm going to take this card, I'm going to let the kids sign it, and I know she'll just love this as her birthday card this year. Anyways, I've always thought, why don't I send people on my Christmas list cards in July? Like, it's halfway through the year. I don't just have to send them Christmas cards every year, but I could send them a summer card. So that's what these are inspired to do. My other idea is that you could make 4 packs of seasonal cards, like the 4 seasons, package them up really cute, and you could give them to nursing homes as a donation, and the recipients, I'm sure, would love them. So if you're stuck, you have a bunch of happy summer, happy fall, and you don't send those kinds of cards out, I get it, but that's another idea of how to use it. So Tina, I'm glad you had that like off the cuff comment, because I've been thinking about it already, and you just like spurred me on. So here I got my Lawn Fawn, my new dies out. I had extras. I always put my extras back in with my dies. That way, when I want to use them, I'm ready to go. I kind of played with asymmetry a little bit there, but I decided not to go that way because I really felt like those purple leaves were just too big and really took away from the cute little kids, my cute little kids. So instead, I just did these orange leaves all around. And these, when I was putting them together, totally made me think of birds of paradise, which I love those flowers. I love all flowers. I've never met a flower I didn't like. I even like dandelions, so I like them all. But yeah, it just made me think of birds of paradise. So I had so much fun with this sketch this month. You guys, I encourage you to do a sheetload of cards. I now have 8 cards to send some sunshine. I'm going to send them to some of my aunts and family members who are going back into quarantine and kind of locking things down, and I just want to send them some summer sunshine and say hello. I encourage you to do the same thing. So here's kind of a quick overview of my cards, you guys definitely check out the design team. I found someone new when I joined this team. Her name is Deb. She's over at Project 39 Mini Albums. She's incredible. I am so glad I found her. She's a sweetheart and she's amazing. She puts out awesome content. So you never know who you'll discover on these design teams. I still have a lot of discovering to do myself on my own design teams that I'm on. So definitely check those out. You know, they'll be linked below. If there's someone's name you don't know, that is the perfect opportunity to click and find out who they are. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.